Sawadee-ka everyone! Today I will show you guys how to cook rice balls in coconut milk. In Thai we call it Bua Loy. It's a very popular Thai dessert because it's beautiful, it's tasty, and it's easy to cook. Alright, let's get started. For this recipe, I will use with 6 different colors, so it means I use 6 different natural ingredients. Cut the pandan leaves into small pieces to make it easier to blend later on. The green color, I recommend you to use pandan leaves because it smells very good. Yeah, it is. Set it aside for now. I will use butterfly pea for blue color. I will use about 10 pieces of the dried version, then add hot water into it. Did you see the water starting to have a color? If you want to have a purple color from the butterfly pea, I recommend you to add a little bit of lemon juice or lime juice. Even if for now, you see the water turning to purple more than to blue, don't worry. Once you mix with flour, the color will become blue. The orange color, I will use carrot. Blend the carrot with some water to extract its juice. Now blend it. Then pour the juice into a fine mesh strainer to not allow the juice to have chunks of carrot. For the red color, if you don't want to use strawberry, you can use beetroot as well. Using a spoon to stir will make the juice go through the strainer faster. Do it until you have only the chunks of strawberry left, like this. Next is pandan leaves, but if you can't find it, you can also use cabbage, kale, or celery. I left butterfly pea in hot water for about 5 to 10 minutes and now I got the color I want. Then remove the butterfly pea from the water. For the pumpkin, I will use just the meat. We don't need the skin because the skin is green. We need the yellow color from the pumpkin only. Make sure your pumpkin is cooked. That will be easier to mix with flour later on. For purple color, I chose steamed sweet potatoes. Make sure to use young ones because the old ones are a little bit tough and usually more fibers. I will repeat again. For the red color, I got it from strawberry, but you can use beetroot instead. Green color is from pandan leaf. Purple color is from sweet purple potato. Orange color is from carrot. Yellow color is from pumpkin. And the blue color is from butterfly pea. Let's make the dough now. I will use half cup of flour for each color. Add the flour to a big plate. Then add 2 tablespoons of the butterfly pea water. Now start to mix both well. If it's too dry, add 1 more tablespoon of liquid. Then mix until you don't have any dry flour left in the bowl. Once you got the dough like this, remove it to another plate and cover it with a towel to not let it dry. Don't add too much liquid at this point. 2 to 3 tablespoons should be enough. If you use the strawberry same as me, try to remove the foam on top of the liquid again. See, it's better to add less liquid in the beginning because you can add more later on if the flour is too dry. It's easier to control. Halfway ready, guys. The third one is finished. Don't forget to cover the dough. Stir the carrot juice before using to thicken the liquid and bring back the deposit and color. For the pumpkin, I will break the meat in fine mesh first to make sure that I really have the fine pumpkin meat. I will use coconut milk instead of water to have a really creamy texture. For the pumpkin dough, 1 or 2 tablespoons of coconut milk should be enough to mix. If more than that, the dough will be too wet, and if that happens, same as for any part, just add more flour. The pumpkin dough is done. For the purple sweet potato, just do it the same as the pumpkin. But if you don't have any fine mesh strainer, you can actually just break it evenly with your hand, just like I did. I think I do arm workout because I start to hurt a little bit now. Until there is no more dry flour left, it's done and ready. Ta-da! Come to the fun part. Make the rice balls. For this part, you should call everybody in the house come to help you because it's quite a lot of work. Even it's fun, you know. But with some company, it would be better. To not let the rice balls stick to each other, we can sprinkle some flour on top of it. I feel like my rice ball is getting bigger and bigger. Anyway, as long as you didn't make it bigger than mine, it's all good.
I hear you need some helper to help cooking.
My wish come true! Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
Alright.
It's not very comfortable because you put the camera very low, so I have to squat.
What does it mean? I'm short, no? I will put the flour in your palm to not let the rice dough stick in your hand.
Okay.
So grab, not too big, just maybe here of your small finger. Just roll it, make it like a ball. Okay? And if you feel that the rice ball stick in your palm, you add more flour. Too big?
Yeah, but I like when it's big.
Cannot.
That's
Bua
what
Loy.
she said.
Oh, not need.
Wow. This is the male cooking style.
Yeah,
What?
too big.
That one?
Yes.
That's not mine. Very professional, huh? See?
If I can teach him and he understands, you guys.
What do you mean?
If I can teach him and he understands that this video is easy, you can do it too. Everybody can do it.
You're very rude.
Yay! Maybe this is the fun part. This is the most fun part.
So this is why you want to have like someone with you,
Yeah.
so you can
You
put
can
flour.
play. Yes, enough, no? Wow! Yay! Now it's ready for the next step. After the water is hot, it's time to add our rice balls. This is another part that I really enjoy seeing in this recipe. Once the rice balls are cooked, they will float up from the bottom to the top. After it's cooked, remove it to a bowl and set it aside. I will prepare the pandan to put in the coconut milk. Remove just the leaf. Go wash it quick. It's straight like this. You fold it half and tie it. My mistake. All the shots filmed before are gone. Sorry. Anyway, in a pot, add coconut milk and simmer it with low heat. Do not let it boil at all, or the coconut milk would become way too fatty to be a dessert. Keep stirring, and after a few minutes, add the pandan leaves that we prepared earlier on. Then add palm sugar, white sugar, and a pinch of salt. Stir to mix until the sugar is dissolved. Now, add the rice balls. Stir to mix for a few minutes. This is how to make a colorful Bua Loy with only natural ingredients. I really have fun to do this recipe, and also I enjoy eating it a lot. If you like Thai dessert, go check this one. You will love it as well. As always, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and drop that like button. Thank you for watching. See you soon. ขอบคุณค่ะ บ๊ายบาย